name's Hard Haymaker, and I'll be performing lab number 7. Lab number 7 deals with physical and chemical properties. In this lab, my objectives are to investigate the chemical properties of pure chemical substances and investigate the physical properties of pure chemical substances. For this experiment, I've gathered all the materials that I'll be using. I've got my 100 milliliter glass beaker. I've got my burner stand, as well as my fuel for burning. I've got my safety goggles, of course, glass stirring rod. I've also grabbed my glass test tubes, my 2 different well plates, my 24 well plate and my 96 well plate. I've got my test tube cleaning brush for cleaning after the experiments. And as far as the auxiliary supplies, I have red and blue litmus paper. Got a lighter to set the fuel on fire. And I'll be using the substances today. I'll be using sodium hydroxide. I'll be using hydrochloric acid. I've also got some more mossy zinc, copper metal, magnesium oxide, pure magnesium, sodium chloride, copper 2 nitrate, and copper 3 carbonate. For the beginning of the experiment, I'll be taking my hydrochloric acid, and I will be putting 6 moles into here. This is hydrochloric acid, so I need to be very careful. Also got my sodium hydroxide. I've got my 4 small test tubes in the wells. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my pure magnesium. I'm going to be sprinkling small amount to each one. To start with, I'm going to be using my magnesium oxide to set that to the side so I don't use it again. And to start out with, alright, so first I need to observe the color, which is white, and if there's any odor. I'm not recording any odor. And the color is white. And what I need to do is light my burner. Get the lid up. This first test tube. First test tube, I'm going to do a quick burn test to see what kind of change I get when I add heat. now observing the heat, and it looks like it is beginning to melt the magnesium. That is where I will stop tonight for Lab 7. Thank you so much. Have a great night.